Hello friends, welcome back with another video, and today in this video we are gonna learn how to create a cryptocurrency website. Let's suppose if you have your own token or you have your own coin and you want to sell and you want to create a website for your token. So how you can create it, we will read it step by step how we can create. So as you can see here, we have a website here, and in the intro we have a header section here with a logo and a menu and a phone number, and in the next section we have our body here with a newsletter of email, and then we have something written here. If you want to change text, we will text edit after some time, and we have some other buttons of token distribution, and we have a widget here for the ICO engine, and then we have a buy token link button here. And in the next section we have something written for the qualities of our token, and then in the next we have a widget of what is crypto. We will add what is our token and the text of this, and we have some key features also here. So in the next section we have another definition of our token, and we have a white paper button here. If you want to add your white paper, you can add the download button here. So we have a guideline of our token here. If we have a buy now buy token button here. So we have a team section here with our experts. We can change every expert portfolio from here, and we have the phone numbers attached also. We have an advisory team here also. For the advisors, we can remove this section if we want. Then at the end we have a frequency asked questions section, and we can add our questions here and a definition of our questions. And here is the button to go on the top, and the end section is a footer section. Here we will step by step edit everything. So what we are going to do is, now I'm going to show you how to install this theme on your WordPress website. So as you can see here, I have a default website. It's demo.schedule.com. So I'm going to admin dashboard and then log in to my demo website. So first of all, we have welcome to WordPress section here. Okay, then we are going to reset it. As you can see here, we have nothing in this website. So what we are going to do is delete all or the plugins, because we are going to install the new theme. You need a clean website. So as you can see here, I'm going to delete the older plugins from here. So it will take some time. I'm going to pause it. So as you can see here, we have a default dashboard, and we are going to install our theme here. So click on themes, and then we are going to upload the new theme here. I'm going to delete the old one. The tutorial of old one is also on my channel. So click on add new button and click on upload, then go to the theme folder, click and drop here the theme man file and wait for uploading. As you can see, it's uploaded. Click on activate, and then click on add new again and upload again. Then also drag and drop the child file. So you know what is the difference between a theme and its child file? The difference is that child file have the license of theme. So you will get a free theme with license from my website. Click on activate it, and now go to plugin installer and select all, then click on install. This website is created from WP Bakery website builder, and I don't like this builder. Now wait for it, and once the installation done, we will import a demo set here. It will take some more time, I think, and once it's done we will add the next step. So as you can see, everything is done. Return to the plugin installer, and now we are going to activate all in bulk. Click on activate, and then everything is done. So go back to your dashboard and then go to the settings and find out in the tools. I'm going to find out the demo importer. So here is in the appearance, you will get the demo data import. Click on it and then select the best demo for your website. As you can see here, we have multiple demos here, and I think I need to choose one from these both. So if you want to install this one, you can install it, but in my case I think this one is better. Okay, click on import data. So click on continue and import and wait for 5000 hours. It will be installed successfully after a long time. So as you can see, it's done. Now click on visit website and go to the website to see what happens here. So wow, it's looking beautiful here with this all details. So what we're going to do is, now we are going to edit everything step by step. So first is, this is the top header. It's a extra in this theme. So we are going to edit the header with our options. So click on child theme options and then click on header settings, and then as you can see here, we have multiple headers. We can choose any header from here, and then click on header top bar. So as you can see here, the top bar, we have multiple top bars. I'm going to add the top bar, which looks more beautiful. So let me show you what is in the top bar now. So here, what is this? Why it's not updated yet? Okay, I think it's a plugin issue, so we are going to continue. We are going to hidden this top bar. So click on save changes and the top bar is hidden now. What is CTR buy token? So as you can see here, we have a buy token button. If you want to add your token link here, click on this and add the link here, and you can change the background color of your token also from here. And then what we don't have there is or customization of this panel. So as you can see, we have a menu here. We will edit it, and the logo section. If you want to add the logo, click on here and then upload your logo in this section. You will see we have the sticky site logo also and the site logo also. The site logo is a white logo and the sticky logo is a black one. So this is a site logo, and if we drop it down, we will see a sticky logo here. So what is the difference between both is we can choose both step by step. Now I'm going to show you how you can add a menu in your website. So first of all, for the menu editing, go to the customize section, and then you will see the beautiful options of your website. Go to the menu here, and then you will see we have a simple menu here, and if you want to add other pages you can add, but I'm going to make it this better. So we are not going to change the menu. I just wanted to show you how you can change it. And what is next? We have to change the page text. Okay, for changing the page text, click on edit with WP Bakery page builder and wait for loading it. As you can see here, or the complete page is loaded successfully, and we're going to change So first of all, what we need to change is the heading. So if you want to change the heading, click on it and you will see that we have initial coin offer. Here is its written at the background, and if you want to change the paragraph and the subheading, you can change it also. So for adding the title, here is the main title and the text is here. You can change and click on save changes. If you want to change these buttons, so click on every button and you will add the link here. Select a URL, then you will add your link here. If you want to add any page, then click on the page. Okay, so for these both we have the same presentation, and here is a fundraiser offer. Click on it and we are going to edit it. If we want to change the target, we can add it to 5, as you can see here, and we can also change the fundraiser text here, and copy cap, soft cap. We can change everything from here, the date of countdown also. So let's make it something similar like this, and as you can see here, we have the same title and description here also with another text. We have a heading here and a text block, and then sign up to button. Okay, we have sign up and buy now button here. Just click and change the text buy token and add your token link here. We have a title section also here with the details. Click on it and you will get all the details. Drag and drop it and you will see the details and edit everything. So in the next section we have a token information. We can edit it also by clicking on the details, and then we have a roadmap. So as you can see here, we have a roadmap here, and if you want to edit the roadmap, just need to do is, wow, it's a drag and drop. So here is the title and description. You can see here the title is roadmap and the description is written here. And then what is next, we have roadmaps.